Welcome to System Dynamics Online Tutorials. In this session we're going to cover the quality control test result listing. Within the manufacturing environment, within the quality control module, under the processing, we have the quality control test result listing. All this does is, from the repetitiveness of actually entering in all the tests against a given item and job, we can actually pull a test result listing for the system. We can do this for the range of warehouses, a specific job that was done with multiple tests occurring on that job. We could even do it for a certain test. So if we wanted to we have multiple tests, we wanted to see all the results of one given test across the board, we can do it for a test range. Likewise, we could do the same for any particular work center. So any test that occurred at a range or specific work center. We can also choose the test results, whether we want to get all test results, whether they were good or bad, whether we just want to get acceptable ones, whether we want to get only the bad ones, or whether we want to get tests that have been canceled for whatever reason against a range of work centers or jobs. By doing all and simply executing the application, we get our standard batch online, and we will run this to the previewer so that we can see the results. And the system will display all of the tests that occurred across all the warehouses and all the jobs, and will show all of the resulting tests, be they good or bad. So here we have the listing of the results, and the system displays all of my ranges up on top. And what I will do is bring this down into play here so we can see the whole report. The system displays the warehouse, the work center, and the test that was done. It displays the job number, the product that was being done, transaction, which is the number of tests that were done for this particular test, and the result of the particular test. And whether the cancel date or the time and the user will be time-stamped to it. A sample ID taken from TAP, and whether the test was acceptable, any explanation that was put to it. This could be a reason for it being unacceptable, or possibly that it is a good color, not whatever here on this particular test, it's information only. The date and time that it was actually tested, and the user who actually invoked the test or actually entered the results of the test. And the system just lists out all of the tests that were done and breaks it out by the warehouse and job and product. And exiting here, we will conclude the quality control test result.